Alright, here's another clearance thing going down. Another one of your hearts. And this would be an inverter. It's only 150 watts, which kind of sucks, but being that it was $15, it's worth it because I have all these batteries, all the heart batteries, 20 volters. You know what I mean? Although you don't have much that's 150 watts. I mean, like maybe a laptop. Ain't gonna do your toaster though. No, sir. No, sir, it will not do your toaster. I like how they're pushing all the, phone, because it has USB, 2.4 amp USB, floating neutral. You can get other things to do USB. The full price on this is just ridiculous and not worth it. But there's your UPC. Son. There's some specs. Not that they matter. It's 150 watt. That's all that matters. There's your heart number, son. Heart to fart. Okay. So let's just see if this actually works. These are clearance in all the stores around me. They were at like 35, which is hell not worth it. So I just waited so I could find one that was really down for clearance. Yeah, there was a store with a bunch of them, so I picked one up, and it fell somewhere on a shelf. You know what I mean? It fell somewhere. So as the store kept lowering the price, they eventually sold out, except for the one that fell somewhere. And I was at that store again, and I checked the price, and yeah, the price was right. You know what I mean? You don't know what I mean. This is a light. It's not working, is it now? This battery is definitely good. I hope this thing works. This battery was just charged, so. Hold for power. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, so it's got a light. That's, I guess for when the power goes out. Does it say what the lumens is on the light? External LED light. No, it doesn't. Oh, blinking. You gotta love that. So the light is kind of garbage. I mean, it does. It lights. That's what it does. Alright, so let's run this fan. Let's see what this motor is. Or not. Or not. Okay. We got no specs. Okay. No specs. Let's see if it'll run the fan. I don't think the fan's going to be over 150 watt. Maybe first spin up. Doing the job. Oh, it's saying what these colors are. Alright. So yellow, normal. Oh, overload. Alright. Low battery. Troubleshooting. So we want to try to overload this thing. Oh, that's going to overload it. I want to turn on. That was slow. Oh, because it's on low speed. All right. Feeling for some heat. Well, that's cool. I mean, what was? I think the full price for this was like $60. I don't think it's worth $60. I was gonna say, wondering if it had some cooling, but I could see right there. There's a fan, so if it started to get hot, it does have the ability to try to cool itself down. All right, so that's pretty cool. You know, I got a ton of 20-volt batteries. All righty then.